The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day Kansas and welcome back to Pleasant View here at Stutzman's today, of course, with Jason French. Jason, happy spring!
Hey, thanks. Same to you.
Yeah, so today we're talking about perennials. They're at all of your garden centers, which are now open. Tell us about what a perennial is and why it's good this time of year.
You know, perennials are one of the things we start the year off with, and these are the plants we think of permanent, perennial. Those kind of sound alike, they go together. These are all the plants that come back each year.
Okay.
Now, perennial may die back to the ground, but it comes back up each year.
Okay, and lots of options for perennials, a lot of different colors, different sizes, different shapes.
Yeah, and things that bloom different times of the year as well. You know, I picked just a few things that were kind of pretty right now, but you know, in shade, we have the red heucheras. There's a lot of different colors, but not a super showy flower, but you get that nice leaf color all year in that shady area. Columbine's always a good spring bloomer. And then some of the sages or salvias, good color now, but if you give them a little trim back, that's one that's going to bloom repeatedly throughout the summer even.
Okay, man, Jason, this wind is brutal. It's driving me crazy out here, but all of your plants, they're able to withstand the weather. You've picked them for shade or for this Kansas heat.
Yeah, they're all ones we have tested and trialed. Great for Kansas. Able to stand up to whether it's heat, cold, or today wind. But perform really well, and you know, we're doing a promotion with them since that's kind of what we kicked the season off with. So it's a 20% off any perennials. You can mix and match however you want, anything, but we'll just do a 20% off to kind of kick off the season with them.
Yeah, and as I mentioned earlier, all of your garden centers are open now across the state. And you have people that are able to help you decide, okay, do I need this kind for a shadier spot or this kind for a sunnier spot, right?
Yeah, we have lots of people that would be great help with, you know, kind of what each plant kind of likes and all.
Yeah, and you're always available for people to help as well, right?
Yep, if you're here at Pleasant View, you might even catch me, but otherwise, best way, people drop me an email. And that email is the word questions@stutzmans.com.
All right, Jason, it's so exciting. I love this time of year here at Stutzman's. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Yep, we'll have more on Good Day Kansas after the break.
If you would like your business highlighted on Good Day Kansas, contact us at gooddaykansas@ksn.com.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Have you experienced the garden season at Stutzman's Greenhouse? Hi, this is Ben Miller. If you have, thanks. If you haven't, you're invited. Come and experience Stutzman's Greenhouse and Garden Centers. You'll find our locally grown healthy plants ready to go and grow from our garden to yours, and just right to perform in the Kansas climate. Experience Stutzman's garden season. We think it's worth the drive. Come see us at Stutzman's closest to you, or click on Stutzmans.com, where you can browse anytime and become a Garden Club member and Facebook follower.
At Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green but us.